We're here at the campsite. I think this is probably the greenest I've ever seen Colorado. This is Chavez and Beaver trail. They saw a bear. That is very muddy. Tree is a blocker. So I went the wrong way. I'm from Texas, the only bear we have is at the zoo. We are going to go hiking at Red Rock State Park. Red Rock, I don't know exactly the name of it. So I'm gonna take you on my hiking journey today. I'm trying to hike almost every single day when I'm in Colorado. So this is supposed to be a really pretty hike, very easy hike. So I'm gonna take you along with me. Come on, car, it's green. Let me show you what I'm looking at right now. That is the Red Rock. Oh, I was stuck in that pit hole. Sorry. Okay, on the road we go again. Small, slight detour up the mountain. Now I'm gonna get ready and then we're gonna go hike. Finally going to the trail. I'm already winded. Just been going down. Going up later is gonna be hard. So very beautiful. I think this is probably the greenest I've ever seen Colorado. It's supposed to be an easy hike, but it's actually pretty difficult because it's so hot. I can't get over how beautiful this is. We were just over there. Oh, you're in Denver? Definitely recommend coming here. Okay, I'm so hungry now. We're gonna go to my favorite Vietnamese restaurant here, and I'm gonna show you one of my favorite Vietnamese dishes. I'm so hot. That was such a good hike. Started at 62 and now it's 81. Now to get out of this parking spot. Nice. Can you no meat, just more of the pork blood? Pork blood. It's gonna be a 5 miles hike. So I'm gonna get some water and some snack. I think there might be a waterfall in here, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna try to go find it. Bug spray and sunscreen. Which one are you supposed to put first? I'm gonna go with sunscreen. Okay. Bug spray. I don't know if you're supposed to put it after one another like this. Whatever. Try not to inhale. A car just came out, but I'm too lazy to repark. So I'm just gonna leave the van there. I even have my hiking shoes on. Yes, it is serious today. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop by the restroom before we go in. I don't know which one. Just gonna go this way. Not sure if I'm going the right way. I think I might be going the wrong way. Huh. Yeah, I think I might be going the wrong way. Okay, let me backtrack. Maybe it's all gonna be one loop. Maybe it's gonna let you loop through and you come out the other side. I don't know. We'll see. To adventure we go. I think this is about 2 hours hike. It's very green here. I'm guessing this is the way down. Okay, here we go. This hike is not very straightforward. There's a lot of trails leading off. So I went that way. I went the wrong way. Didn't realize that bark was a blocker. Okay, on track again. There. And now we're going this way. Elevation is about 7,200 here. So might be a little bit hard to breathe for some people. Fork in the road. There's a stream. I'm going to go down there. This is literally a hike through the woods. This hike is going to be more than 2 hours. But the weather is very nice. If you come here, I'd recommend getting a really good hiking shoes or boots. You can so easily twist your ankle with all this rock and steps. And I wouldn't recommend hiking by yourself. Don't do what I do, just do what I say. Feel like I'm going the wrong way again. Oh my goodness. Really hope I'm not going the wrong way. Okay. Okay, we're starting the Beaver Brook trail. So make sure you follow the sign or you're gonna be going in loops. There's another sign up here. There's another sign for Beaver Brook trail. Not confusing at all. I'm gonna go this way. Pretty. I confirmed with Strava, we are going the right way, or at least I am going the right way. This elevation is a little getting used to. Okay, on we go. I think I still have another hour of hike left. Okay, I met some other hikers and they say they saw a bear up ahead. I really hope I don't meet my first bear. Scary. This is the first time I've ever been freaked out on a hike. Note to self, buy bear spray. I'm from Texas, the only bear we have is at the zoo. So far no bear and no rain. I think I have probably 30 minutes left. Let's finish this. That is very muddy. Nope. I've never been so happy to see the van. Yay. Done. I did it. We did it. That was hard. I think because I didn't bring anything to eat and that elevation gain didn't really help. I'm ready for food. I'm glad that it didn't rain. And I'm glad that I didn't see a bear because that would have been the scariest thing in my life. And I don't know what I would do. I was gonna look up some playlists to scare away, but I don't think they even have playlists for that. Let us go get food because I'm hungry. A banana never tasted so good. I ran out of water halfway through the hike. Didn't bring enough because I didn't want to carry it. That was a mistake, number one. Mistake number two was not bringing food. But it's done. We survived. I survived. Now we're gonna go get some Korean food. My first choice was closed. So this is the second option. Ow! Legs hurting. Okay, hopefully they're open. Thank you. Thank you. might be my new favorite Korean restaurant in Denver. It is so good. Hello, I have a campground reservation. Just got to the campground. I'm so tired. Everything in the closet fell down, so that's fun and frustrating. This is what the campground looks like. Picnic table, no hookups, no water. Restroom is about a mile away, I think. Oh no, it's actually over there. Not bad. Okay, all the way over there. These are the rare occasions that I actually have a shower at a RV park. Going on a mini rent. This is the weirdest park I've ever been to. So you pay for the campsite here per night, and then you have to pay for the state park fee per day to get here. But then when you go to the restroom, the campsite, you have to pay for the shower, which is kind of weird because this is the first time that I have to do that. So I wasn't expecting that. But the thing that really got me for this rent is that there is no soap for your hand in the sink. No hand soap. It's the weirdest thing. I mean, I have soap with me, but for someone that just getting up in the middle of the night to use the restroom and there's no soap to wash their hand, it's just so odd. But conveniently, there is a vending machine where you can buy soap. I just don't understand. I feel less grumpy now that I have my face on. Let's go explore this park. And I think tonight I'm gonna stay at a hotel so I could wash my hair. After 3 days living in the van, the 4th day you definitely want a hotel because, I don't know. For me, definitely. It is a beautiful park. Too bad they charge for everything here. We are having pho for lunch today. I think we're good. Let us go. So that is the pho place we're going to. Can I get a number 16? Medium, please. I love this city. There are so many Asian restaurants here. Things I learned from this trip. Let's see. It's very hard to get a last-minute reservation at a campsite in Colorado because every time you're on the street, you're gonna see another Sprinter van or an RV. I have never seen so many rebels here than I have anywhere else. Oh, sweet. Wonderful view. Wonderful bed and a sink with soap and a shower. Nice, beautiful, and a toilet, flushing toilet. Never been so happy to see a toilet. Just touching up my hair. I always make sure to travel with a bleach bottle in the van. Thank you for watching. Until next time.